Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to block someone or ignore. We'll start with ignore and then we can do block. So for example, in my friend list I have this account, right? And now I want to ignore them, as in I don't want to get their messages. You see this in mute? So I want to put it until I turn it back on. That way, if this account ever sends me a message, I will never, hear the sound, or it won't really pop up because I've muted this. Alternatively, you can remove the person as a friend, and if you have a higher restriction, you won't get any notification. And you don't want to unmute, but you don't want the messages. You don't want to mute, but you don't want any noises of messages. You can always put yourself as do not disturb. That way, even if someone messages you, you won't get the noise because you're on D&D, and when you're on do not disturb, no sound will ever pop out. And then finally, we're gonna block this person. That's the last step. When you block this person, you'll see 2 blocked messages. You cannot send a message to this user because the user's been blocked. I'm gonna go here, and you see, even though the user joined, it's gonna come as blocked because I've blocked this user. Doesn't mean necessarily you can't read their messages. If they write something, you can always read it by show message, and even in your private DMs, if you press on show message, you can read the messages. But this person won't be able to send you any messages, neither will you be able to send any messages in private. But in servers, yeah, you can, but it's on you if you want to ignore them or not. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.